Stop right there, because winter car trouble hits fast and shows no mercy. But don't worry, we'll show you quick fixes. One small slip can drain a battery, freeze key fluids, or take away control on icy roads. So stick around as we go through the 5 things drivers must avoid and the 3 tips that keep every winter trip steady. There's a strong bonus tip at the end that adds extra protection. Number 5. Using hot water or metal tools to clear the ice. People get impatient on cold mornings. They step outside, see a frozen windshield, and reach for the fastest solution. Some grab a kettle of hot water because it feels like a quick fix. The water hits the glass, and the temperature jumps in seconds. Cold glass reacts badly to sudden heat, and the surface gets stressed instantly. That stress creates small cracks that grow every time the car vibrates on the road. The damage feels like it comes from nowhere, but it starts the moment the water touches the windshield. Metal tools create a different kind of trouble. They scrape ice effectively, but they scrape everything else too. The edges catch the paint on the hood or the trim near the windshield. They also dig into sensors that sit close to the glass on many modern cars. A tiny scratch on a sensor cover might look minor, but it can ruin the readings that control safety features. That leaves the car confused during everyday driving. A plastic scraper is simple and safe. A de-icer spray softens the ice without harming anything. A remote starter also warms the defroster slowly. These choices protect the glass and avoid costly repairs later. The glass may be fine until frozen wipers undo everything. Number 4. Turning on frozen wipers or leaving them lifted overnight. Frozen wipers look harmless at first. People sit in the car, hit the switch, and expect them to slide across the glass. But instead, the blades are glued to the windshield by solid ice. When the motor tries to move them, it fights a load it was never designed to handle. That strain builds fast and pushes every part of the system to its limit. Mechanics say this is one of the most common winter mistakes they see from drivers every year. The motor can overheat when it pushes against heavy ice or packed debris. Sometimes the motor survives the strain, but the surrounding parts do not. The linkage can twist out of shape. The splines can wear down. The wiper arms can shift on their mounts. Even a small bend changes the angle of the blade, and the entire system feels weaker. The rubber blades also suffer because the tension is no longer balanced. They start to drag across the glass and lose contact during important moments. This creates streaks that block your view when you need it most. Lifting the wipers overnight seems helpful, but it creates new problems. Freezing weather stretches the spring tension in the arms. That leaves them warped and unable to press evenly against the windshield. The next storm arrives, and the blades skip across the glass instead of clearing it and losing grip. There is nothing compared to losing it on tires. Number 3. Not changing tires. Winter roads change fast. One stretch feels fine, and the next feels risky. Regular tires use a harder rubber compound and a tread design built for warm pavement. In cold weather, that harder compound doesn't grip well, and the shallow tread can't bite into snow or slush. That drop in grip makes braking harder and steering less stable. Many drivers rely on four-wheel drive, but that system only helps the vehicle move forward. It doesn't help your car stop on icy roads, and stopping matters most when the surface feels unpredictable. Winter tires solve that problem through 2 main differences. First, they use a softer rubber compound that stays flexible in freezing temperatures. That flexibility helps the tire maintain contact with the road instead of sliding. Second, they use a deeper tread with far more sipes and biting edges. Those grooves dig into packed snow, push slush aside, and give the tire more traction where regular tires struggle. The result is simple: better control, smoother steering, and safer stops. Tight corners feel less risky. Sudden braking feels more manageable. The whole drive becomes calmer and more predictable. Areas with long, cold seasons benefit most from a dedicated winter set. These tires work best when temperatures stay low for weeks at a time. Keeping a separate winter set also reduces wear on your regular tires during the harshest months. Switching at the right time each season keeps vehicles steady on icy roads. Strong traction makes winter driving safer for everyone who shares the road. But winter safety disappears fast when a parking brake freezes solid. But before we get into it, hit the like and subscribe button for real car advice that keeps every driver safe and prepared all year. Number 2. Leaving your parking brake engaged overnight. A parking brake feels like a safe choice, but winter changes the rules fast. When the brake stays engaged overnight, moisture settles around the cables and components. The temperature drops, and that moisture hardens into ice. The cables, pads, and shoes can freeze in place. By morning, the brake may refuse to release even when everything feels normal inside the cabin. Mechanics deal with this issue constantly during winter because older or worn parts freeze more easily. A frozen brake creates problems that show up the moment you try to move the car. The pads can drag against the rotor and wear down unevenly. The cable can stretch under pressure. The system can overheat once the ice finally breaks and the parts start moving again. None of this damage is dramatic at first, but it adds up with every cold night. The safer option is simple. If the ground is level, use a gear in a manual car or the park setting in an automatic. This keeps the vehicle still without stressing the brake system. If you need the parking brake, use it during the day and release it before the temperature drops again. You can also release it gently once the car warms up. This protects the parts that struggle in freezing conditions. And those same freezing conditions lock doors solid without warning. Number 1. Forcing frozen doors or handles. Frozen doors catch people off guard every winter. You walk outside, reach for the handle, and feel resistance. A thin layer of ice has sealed the door shut. Most people react with frustration and pull harder. That decision causes real damage. The rubber seal can tear away from the frame. The handle can break under pressure. The latch cable inside the door can snap without warning. Mechanics see these failures constantly during freezing weeks because the materials are weaker in cold weather. Modern cars use plastic or lightweight aluminum for many door parts, so they suffer even faster. Moisture creeps into seals and latches on wet days. When temperatures drop, that moisture freezes and locks the components in place. The ice holds everything together firmly. When you pull, the ice stays where it is, and the parts give way. If the door opens while still frozen, the seal can rip as it separates. Water enters the cabin the next time it rains. That water freezes again and weakens the rubber until it breaks. Rust then forms around the frame. A silicone-based protectant keeps the rubber flexible before winter. Avoid oil sprays because they damage the material. If the door is already frozen, press around the edges gently to break the seal. A de-icer spray works well. Lukewarm water helps too, but never use hot water because it can crack the glass. Now that the mistakes are out of the way, let's move into the 3 winter tips that actually make driving easier. Number 3. Keep your battery in top shape. Cold weather exposes weak batteries faster than anything else. When temperatures drop, the power inside a battery drops with it. A strong battery handles this loss without trouble, but an aging battery struggles the moment the cold settles. In roadside assistance teams deal with this problem every winter because dead batteries lead the list of emergency calls. A battery that feels fine in summer can fail overnight in January. The cold thickens the engine oil and demands more power from the starter. A weak battery cannot deliver enough energy to turn the engine confidently. You can often sense the warning signs before the failure happens. The engine might crank slower than usual during the first start of the day. The lights on the dashboard may dim slightly when you turn the key. These changes seem small, but they signal reduced capacity. Winter only makes that weakness stronger. A quick test before the season begins saves a lot of frustration. Most auto shops can check voltage and health in minutes. A reading below 12.4 volts suggests the battery is losing strength. A battery older than 4 years also becomes unpredictable in cold weather. Replacing it early avoids the shock of a silent car on a freezing morning. Keeping the battery healthy gives your car the best chance to start without drama when winter arrives. A smooth winter start pairs perfectly with the right coolant mix. Number 2. Protect your engine with the right coolant mix. Winter exposes problems that stay hidden all summer, and coolant is a perfect example. Many drivers top off the reservoir with plain water during hot months because it feels simple. That small choice weakens the protection inside the system. Coolant works because the mixture prevents freezing inside the radiator and the engine block. When the mix becomes too diluted, the water inside can freeze once temperatures fall. Frozen water expands and pushes with surprising force. That expansion can crack the radiator or even damage the engine block. Mechanics see these failures often, and the repairs cost far more than a quick coolant check. Testing your coolant takes almost no time. A proper mix should protect to at least -35 degrees Fahrenheit. If the strength falls short, the system becomes vulnerable during a cold snap. A small tester shows the protection level instantly. The solution is simple. Top up with the correct pre-mixed coolant. Avoid using plain water because it reduces the freeze protection every time strong coolant keeps the engine safe and avoids sudden breakdowns. A solid mix flows easily, resists freezing, and protects the internal passages. A quick check now prevents major damage when temperatures drop. With coolant sorted, the next easy step is washer fluid. Number 1. Washer fluid. Washer fluid never feels important until the first real cold snap hits. Many drivers keep using the same blue summer fluid all year because it works fine when the weather is warm. The problem starts the moment temperatures fall below freezing. Summer fluid turns solid quickly and expands inside the system. That expansion can crack the reservoir, split the hoses, or strain the washer pump. A frozen pump can burn out because it keeps trying to move fluid that will not flow. The danger becomes obvious when you are driving on a salty winter road. Slush hits the windshield, and the view disappears fast. You pull the stalk and nothing happens because the lines are frozen. Now you are stuck with no way to clear the glass mechanics deal with this problem every winter. And the repairs can become surprisingly expensive. All of it comes from using the wrong fluid, a quick change. Before winter prevents every one of these issues, drain whatever summer fluid remains in the tank. Fill the system with winter-grade washer fluid, rated to at least -20 degrees. Fahrenheit drivers in very cold regions should choose an even lower rating. The cost is low and the protection is instant. Clear visibility and a healthy pump make winter roads far safer. And with visibility secured, the final layer of protection matters the most now. Which brings us to the bonus tip we promised. Keeping an emergency kit. Even well-prepared vehicles can face sudden trouble when storms roll in. A winter kit covers the basics and adds a few helpful extras for cold weather. Standard tools stay useful all year, but winter conditions need more layers of protection. A good kit starts with warm gear like gloves, hats, and a thick blanket. An ice scraper and snow brush help clear glass during sudden flurries. A compact shovel handles deep snow around the wheels. A reflector vest and a safety triangle improve visibility when traffic moves past a stopped vehicle. A small first aid kit and a flashlight add more security during long waits. Food and water help during extended delays on blocked roads. Extra clothing keeps the heat steady. Sand or non-clumping litter helps the tires gain traction on packed snow. A charger and a power bank keep the phone ready for help. And with that, we wrap up our winter car care guide. Did you find the video helpful? Which of these tips do you think is the most useful? Drop your pick in the comments. And wait, before you leave, click here for the next video. Thanks for watching.